While India is battling against the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic, another fungus has been taking several lives. Well, Mucormycosis aka black fungus has already created a havoc in several states of India. Many Indian states have already declared this black fungus disease as an epidemic. Many people are losing their lives because of black fungus after recovering from COVID-19. The Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Sadananda Gowda, on Wednesday revealed a news. As per the reports, he stated that 29,250 vials of amphotericin B are allocated for state and union territories. Amphotericin B is the medicine which is being used to treat the patients of Mucormycosis aka black fungus. As per Sadananda Gowda's tweet, the allocations are made on the basis of patients under treatment. According to the recent reports, then 11,717 patients are currently under treatment of black fungus across the country. Previously, 19,420 vials of amphotericin B were allocated on 24th May. On 21st May, more than 23,000 vials of the same drug were supplied to the affected states. Worst hit states by mucormycosis, also known as black fungus, are Gujarat and Maharashtra. Maharashtra has already reported more than 2,700 cases of mucormycosis. As per the reports, already more than 100 lives have been lost due to this black fungus in Maharashtra. On the other hand, Gujarat state has reported the highest cases of black fungus, and the number are as high as 2,859. It is believed by the health experts that the reason behind the sudden rise of black fungus is the extensive use of steroid in COVID patients.